All right, Zach, we're having nothing but fun out here at General RV. Today's going to be a fun day. Where have you taken me?
We're on B-Van Row. We've got all the B-Vans all here in one place.
Is that where you send the customers? Go up to B-Van Row.
Yep, head up to B-Van Row. We'll see you in a minute.
I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is a very popular option. Talk to me about why is it such a popular option? I see it on the road all the time.
Yeah, in the last handful of years, the B-Van lifestyle has become very popular. You know, getting out on the road, being able to fit wherever, really. You can take them up in the mountains, be underneath the trees, out in the desert, off-road, or, you know, drive down to Harmon's and park in a normal parking spot. You know, you can do whatever you need.
That's true. I see a lot of those parked in different stores.
Yeah, it fits wherever you need it.
I love that. Okay, so how many people can fit in one of these? How many does it sleep comfortably?
You know, depending on the model, it'll seat anywhere from 4 to 7 people. And sleeping wise, it doesn't really sleep a ton of people, but 2 to 4 is really what these sleep.
Okay, when you have something for everyone, so the 2 to 4 family ranges are going to really love this.
Yes, the vans work great.
You've got everything in here. So talk to me, what am I going to find inside?
Everything that you're going to find in a big one, you'll find in these little small B-Vans. You've got a kitchen, a bed, a bathroom, everything you need to get out and have some fun.
Absolutely. What more do you need?
Yeah, right.
All right, so I saw some stairs. Now, what is this called right here?
It's a pop top.
A pop top. Okay, so you walk up the stairs and what do you find?
You got a loft bed up there, queen size bed, climb up. That's where you get your extra sleeping space.
Oh, that's where my 4-year-old would definitely
Your 4-year-old would love it, yeah.
All right, so I see different colors. Do you have a popular color that everyone goes with?
No, everybody, you know, we've got a handful of different, you know, options there with the blues, the grays, and it just kind of depends on the preference.
Okay, so if you take this thing off-roading, and that's another perk, like you said, you can really take it anywhere rather than like one of the bigger rigs.
Yeah.
And you kind of unpack this thing. What is it going to look like?
You know, you get set up at your campsite. You know, you've got awnings off the side, just like you do on the big ones. You know, you've got power for AC if it's too hot. You've got a heater to keep you warm if it's too cold. So it's an awesome setup.
Well, I think your customers are going to find something here. You guys are one of the biggest, if not the biggest, in the state of Utah.
We are. We're the largest motorhome dealer in the state and really one of the larger motorhome dealers in the western United States.
And you have a new location that's coming soon. Can you talk to me about where that's going to be?
Yeah, we're opening up a second store up in South Weber, you know, so we can provide a better service to our customers, get us some more service space and parts and sales, and get the whole full service dealership up there as well, too.
Well, being number one, not in just the state, but obviously in the country, what makes this customer service so special, and why would someone want to come and see you?
You know, we're going to get you set up with what works best for you. You're going to come in, we're going to get you set up with a salesperson that's, you know, knows the products in and out, whether you're looking for a motorized motorhome or you're looking for a towable trailer. We're going to get you set up with the right person to find the right RV for you.
We were talking about kind of storage, because sometimes that can be intimidating. Like, I really want this RV, or I want this, but I don't have the size. How easy is storage here?
You know, a lot of people can fit them next to their house and store them, but if you don't have that, there's plenty of options around town. There's inside storage space available and a lot of outside storage as well, too. So if you don't have the yard to fit one, we can get you lined up with a place that can.
And like you said, one-stop shop, you guys also do financing.
Yes, we got the finance department. We'll get you lined up. We're set up with, you know, 75 different lenders that can get you the right terms and the right financing.
Thanks so much, Zach. Coming up next, see how you can create memories with your family all summer long. That's next.